Hey you guys, welcome back to my video. It's your girl A.MaRee coming to you with a first impressions type of video. You know how that goes. We're going to be talking all about the Burst of Colors eyeshadow palette by my girl Pooski here on YouTube as well as Facebook and Instagram. I will have all her information linked down below in the hot box, so make sure you check it out. We're going to be going over her brushes. We're going to be going over her eyeshadow palette. I did not tell you guys about the last palette, and I'm sorry. Depending on how this video will go, this first impressions, y'all, we may have to be, you know, on top of her about bringing out another palette. If y'all don't know who Pooski is, girl, you sleep. You need to go and follow her right now. Go ahead and show her a lot of love. Let her know that I sent you. I want to say congratulations for even stepping out there and creating your own makeup brand and, you know, putting a stamp on your brand, because Beauty of Jules Cosmetics is Pooski's line. And I know this whole time I've been saying Pooski. I know what hard work is, and I know how much it takes to put into time, and she's pregnant on top of that. Congratulations, baby. I wish you all the luck and success and many blessings coming to you. So you guys, instead of me dragging this video on out, let's go ahead and jump right into it. Comment down below your thoughts on this look, and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget the notification bell and share with your friends. Okay, let's go. Okay, you guys, let's get into it. Y'all know we're gonna be using the Burst of Color eyeshadow palette by Pooski here on YouTube and Facebook. This is her own brand. I'm super excited to try this out. As you could tell in the intro, I talked all about it. Let me go ahead and apologize right now because my kids and my nephew are here. They're all playing a game. So I apologize if that noise distracts y'all. The only brush I didn't show in the beginning, I don't believe, is her concealer brush. And that's because I had used it to carve out my eyebrows. But we will be using this brush again. And once again, we're just going to talk about the brushes, the palette. And you guys, I am going to use my new Juvia's Place Warrior 2 palette. A hair tutorial on this cute ass purple wig. Then check the hot box below, and yeah, it will be there. I've already did a review. Go check it out. Go give it some love. I don't even know which ones I'm going to use, but I think I'm going to use this one for my brow bone, which is Zazz. So what I'm going to go into now that I place the Zazz on my eyebrows, I'm going to go in here and pick a color. I don't know if I really want to do a banging colorful look because my hair is purple, but I do kind of want to try to use majority of the shades. So I'm going to start off with this little shader brush, and I'm going to go into Grape. And we're just going to apply it, and I'm trying not to use any eyeshadow bases because I really want to see what the color payoff is without all the extra. I can honestly say I'm liking this palette so far. And I can honestly say the way I'm dipping into this color is by doing this. And that's it. Like, that's all I'm doing. I want to go in to Iris, which is this purple. And dip into it. And place it right on the edges of that dark purple. Wow. Now I can say just by starting off with this brush, it's not as flexible as you would think it would be, but I've used worse. And I'm going right on the edges just to marry the two colors and blend it. Very small circles and windshield wipe motions. Tad bit of fallout, let me show you guys. But that's not a big thing for me whatsoever. So I'm dusting off that previous eyeshadow brush so I could go into crema right here. And I'm gonna focus it right here on the outer V. Now I think I'm gonna take this eyeshadow brush that I started out with and help blend it, because I told you that previous brush is a tad bit stiff. I think I'm gonna go in the Juvias Place palette and use Dara, which is this color right here, and I'm just gonna barely tap it and use it to mix it in with crema right here at the beginning. So now I'm gonna take Caviar, which is a black color, this brush as well is very stiff, which is kind of hard for me to walk with, but I'm still gonna try. So this is where things are gonna get interesting. I'm gonna use this flat brush, Beauty by Jules. Beauty of Jules. I've been saying Beauty by Jules. Beauty of Jules Cosmetics brush. And it's like a concealer brush. It's like almost a concealer slash flat eyeshadow brush. I'm gonna take this because I used it to carve out my eyebrows. I'm gonna take it to try to cut out my crease. So I'm not going to talk during the cut crease process, because if you guys are familiar with me, y'all know the cut crease is not hard, but it's, you know, you got to concentrate. So yeah, just watch. Brush is really good. I don't know if y'all had went blurry. If you did, I do apologize, but this brush is really good to cut the crease. So I'm just wiping it off because I'm gonna dip into sugar. So now I'm gonna dip into taffy with that same brush. I'm just basically wiping it off and dipping into taffy, which is a light pink. This is like a Pepto-Bismol pink. Oh, yes. Now I'm going back in and I'm gonna mix iris and grape together. Gonna mix those two together for my outer V. Gorgeous. They mix well together as well. Now I am going to take the angle brush and dip back into Caviar and make sure the crease is more defined. And you work with it very lightly. Alright you guys, we're back. I wanted to show you the completed eye look. I did go ahead and add a pink liner, which is my NYX Vivid liner in Petal. I did add a little bit of that, which you could barely see, and I did go ahead and apply my wing liner, but this is what we're looking like in the eye look thus far. I am gonna chunk this because it is dried out, but I do want to use this brush right here to apply my foundation, which I guess I would consider it as a foundation brush. I don't know, but we are going to use my L'Oreal Infallible up to 24-hour fresh wear in the shade 525 Deep Golden. We are going to use this, so I just wanted to show you guys how this brush applies. We kind of used almost every brush so far. So now I'm going to go in with, of course, the L'Oreal Infallible Coffee Caramel. And I am going to mix a little bit of my Tarte Shape Tape in Deep into it because I don't want to be as bright because of my eye look. I want to keep it kind of subtle.
And you know what I just noticed? I don't have a beauty blender. I don't have a wet sponge.
Go in with my contour by Nika K. It's the Contour Duo in the shade, there is no shade, it's ND009. And I'm gonna take this brush and we're gonna like dap and dap, dap and dap. Now what I'm going to do is go back in with this eyeshadow brush and just dip into this one right here to contour my nose because we don't have an angle brush for the contour. Now I am going to take the only brush that we have left, which is this flat shader brush, and I'm going to take Caviar and get very close to my waterline. Alright you guys, here's the finished look. Y'all, I look amazing. Like y'all, I'm really feeling this wig. I'm feeling this look. It absolutely goes together. Like, Y'all, I have to quit my day job. I have to quit my day job. Y'all gotta help me quit my day job, because these colored hairs is working for your girl. Like, I absolutely love it. I want to be able to rock whatever hair color I want on whatever day I want. Like, all these brushes and all this good stuff. We're not gonna really talk about the Juvias Place palette because I only used 2 shadows. Every last color that I did use, all 6 colors, I used 6 colors on my eyes, you guys, and you can't even tell I used 6 colors. But every last one of the 6 colors, just, y'all seen in the video, it married very well, and it absolutely blended out like to perfection. There was only 2 brushes I didn't like, but I'm still gonna use. It was this pencil brush that I didn't like. It's kind of stiff with it, but I mean, I'm still gonna use it, as well as, what you got to eat? As well as this small blending brush. Like, it was kind of scratchy, but I'm still going to try to make it work and still try to play around with it more. So you guys, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I know it wasn't too much of a makeup tutorial, like teaching you guys anything, but I did want to give y'all this first impressions on my girl Pooski. She is like the bomb. Y'all go follow her on Facebook, Instagram, and here on YouTube. I will have all her information down below in the hot box. Congratulate her on her new baby that she has coming on the way. Congratulations, Bookie. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to comment down below your thoughts, and like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, okay? Subscribe and hit the notification bell, and make sure you follow me over there on my Instagram, which is A.MaRee Beauty as well. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Oh, and if you want details on this hair, make sure to go check it out. It is up and down below in the hot box.